Okay, so these are the fryers that we have in stock. Here's another one that's ready to go to one of our customers in the US. We do ship all over. And right here, this is our 2000 millimeter model. And this is the next one up. And this model here is the 2500 millimeter. And we're just going to put the measuring tape here for your reference. So here for your reference is the tape. As you can see, there's the 200 millimeters. And there's the tape where it's measuring from. And we're going to do that on the next one as well. In terms of the difference, this is a SPE 1000 certified model. So there's been several upgrades to this machine. You're going to see that here is the control panel in a different position when we do this certification. And all the cables. And the control panel here for the buttons, that looks different. Okay, and there's some modifications here too. It is optional for the customer to request the oil storage tank to be movable on casters so that it's easier for cleaning. Otherwise, then there is the cover and then it's fixed on the frame. But it is optional to add it as a movable item for easier for cleaning. And just want to give you a little visual of the electrical that we do here internally. This is all CSA UL approved, and I'll show you the difference between the other. Over here, now we see the next one up. There's the tank. It's done accordingly to the size. Okay, 2500 millimeters. There are some changes here which we upgrade and we assemble here in Canada. And then there's some slight changes here as to how it normally comes in, and we will take and gut and recertify everything. So in terms of the difference you see here at the end product, okay? And over here, the control panel, the box, the electrical box, it's in a different position. This whole electrical box, everything in here is not certified. We got this out. Everything is done. Even the box is not certified, and we install a whole new one and do all the electrical here in-house. This one here, being that it's a 2500 millimeter model, has a total of 9 sets of the heating elements, more heating elements. It has a cover. This one here, being that it's 200 millimeters, has 6 sets of the heating elements. Okay, that one there has more heating elements because of obviously that it's longer. In terms of the belt, we have the belt here. The distance between both belts is 1.5 inches, and it does have a minimum and maximum, right? So that is the distance there. It's slightly over 1.5 inches, no more than 2 inches. And it does have the pushers over here for product that sinks to the belt, and that is that one. Also, this is custom, so if a customer wants to order a machine that has more distance in between, it's a matter of asking, and we will manufacture in that manner. This machine actually is hydraulic, pneumatic, sorry. Correction. It is automatic. It operates with the motor there, and it flips to the side to the angle that we can adjust full 90 or at a different position. We do have that capability of making that adjustment. Okay, and that's how this is looking here. All right, they're all that's the fryers that we offer. Excellent quality, great production, and we can certify to Canadian specifications, SPE 1000, or the So this is SPE 1000 certified machine. That's one reason why you need to buy from CM Machine Services, and we can also certify it accordingly to the UL code. So difference there in terms of measurements. I'm gonna just show you the measurements for this one. Measurements for this one, as you can see, it is 2425, right? Just a little bit short of 25 millimeters. So it's 8 feet long. Okay, in terms of the diameter, the width of each belt, they're both the same. I believe it's around 21 inches. So what do we got here? We have inside 22. So that's the inside of the belt. Okay, here is a better look. Okay, in terms of the measurement of the belt width. And it's showing here 21 and a half, slightly under 22. Okay. Yeah, we talked about that.